The solar system. Planet sizes. Mercury 1516 miles, 2440 kilometers, radius about 1/3 the size of Earth. Venus 3760 miles, 6052 kilometers, radius only slightly smaller than Earth. Earth 3959 miles, 6371 kilometers, radius. Mass 2106 miles, 3390 kilometers, radius about half the size of Earth. Jupiter 43441 miles, 69911 kilometers, radius 11x Earth's size. Saturn 36184 miles, 58232 kilometers, radius 9x larger than Earth. Uranus 15759 miles, 25362 kilometers, radius 4x Earth's size. Neptune 15299 miles, 24622 kilometers, radius only slightly smaller than Uranus.